Hello and welcome guys. Today I am going to show you how to configure RAID 1 or RAID 0 in IBM or Lenovo System X Server 3250 M5. I will configure RAID 0 or 1 in CentOS 6.5, and you can also configure in Windows. And there is three options: F1 for setup and F12 for boot device. Now I have entered into the setup. Going to system setting, going to memory. In my server, I have 12 GB of RAM. You can see that I have two hard disks, hard disk 0 and hard disk 1. And here also you can see the size are 1 TB both. In the system settings, devices and I/O options, in the SATA port, onboard SATA port, it have to be on HCI mode, not in RAID mode, because this server not supported hardware RAID. So we will configure software RAID in the CentOS. And if you want to install Windows, then we will configure RAID in here and then the next steps. So it will remain same in AHCI mode. Now we will save the settings, and then we will boot from the CentOS CD or DVD. Now my setting is saved. Now I will boot from DVD, USB DVD. Now my CentOS is booting. In this option, I will press skip. Otherwise, it will check all the DVD media and it will take more than 1 hour if I click OK. Then for this, I will press on skip. CentOS 6 is coming. Then next, next, next. In here we have configured with basic storage devices. Next, discard any data. In here, give the host name of the server. I am typing my server name. It will showing an error because that's why I am use a space in the hostname. So please remove the space and then an underscore also. Now select your location in here and enter C from here also. Now the root password. I will give my password. This is the super user or root user's password. Now I am choosing on create custom layout. You can see that I have two hard disks with 1 TB. Both the hard disks are 1 TB. Now I will configure RAID 1. At first, select the first hard disk and the create option. Then you can see that there is a partition. You can see that there is a standard partition and click OK. Select the first hard disk and the most important partition is boot EFI. It will need it for this server. It will not need it for the all servers, but it will need it for Lenovo's system x3250 server. I have given only 200 MB of space. Now again click on the first hard disk, then create. I am given 1000 MB for boot partition in the hard disk 1. Again click on the first hard disk. Then click on the first hard disk, then read partition, then create the full size. You can see that the software RAID is created, and we use the whole space in hard disk 2 for software RAID. You can see that 2 hard disk software RAID are come. Now RAID device. Then RAID device. Now I have configured RAID 1 with, in the extension for option, there is an option of LVM or physical volume. Then select both the hard disks. Now RAID 1 is created and my hard disk is 1. Now we have created the partitions. For the partitions are boot, swap and home. Root, swap and home. At first I am creating the root partition and also mention the size. I am giving 600 GB for root. Now I am creating the swap partition. I have been seeing the more swap partition, it will give more speed. So I will give 64 GB for swap partition. Now the remaining I will give home partition. I will give only 25 GB for swap partition, not 64 GB. And the remaining space I will give for home partition. Click on OK. All the partitions are created. Now select on the name, select on the format, write changes to disk. It will take some time. Now you can see that format is completed. Click on next. In here we will select desktop and we will customize my servers now. That's why I am click on customize now option. Click on next. I need my database for this, and I need also FTP server, so I am choosing from here. Now next. Now you can see that installation process is started. It's processing. Now installation process is started. It's installing. Now it's almost done. Now it's required for reboot, and also the DVD will come from the DVD drive. And here the welcome page is come. Just click on the forward. I don't need any other user, so I click on forward. If you need another user, you can create a user in here. I'm enabling the KDump here, and it's required a reboot again. Click on yes, and it will reboot. Now the login page is come. So my installation is complete with CentOS and RAID 1 configuration. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.